Have you seen those crazy TikTok AI flying videos? People are literally floating like superheroes, and it's all done with AI. Welcome to TechGen Avenue, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own viral flying effect in a minute. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump in and take off. So now open your TikTok app, then go to the search bar and search for Flying AI Viral Effect. Choose Use Effect. Now select any photo that you want to use. So let me use this photo here. And it will take some few minutes to generate it. And that's how you create those trending TikTok AI flying effect. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to TechGen Avenue, and turn on the bell so that you will never miss the next viral tech tutorial. Until next time, keep creating and keep flying.